What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on ZRX, also known as OX, which has been pumping in value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 11% up, making it just about 83 cents. So where is it heading to next? That's what we're going to be looking at into today. Even though the whole crypto market is down today, 3% down, with all obviously Bitcoin 39,000, and yeah, all of it, all the big boy cryptos should I say, are down. ZRX has managed to gain value. So how high can it go, how low can it go? That's what we're going to be going through today, covering both short-term traders and long-term investors. Is there long-term crypto, is it good for the short-term, so on and so on, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it a good time to buy right now, should you wait for it to dip, so on and so on. But before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. And as you can probably clearly see, I am very close to hitting 50k, so we are just around the corner guys. So according to Coinbase, ZRX is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour it has fluctuated over the last day just about 11%. We can see the major peak was yesterday, going from 75 cents all the way up to, let's have a look, 89 cents guys. That is a major increase yesterday around midday, so about 24 hours ago, and ever since then we had a little dip going back to 78 and then fluctuating around the 80 cents target. Over the week, 13% up. We can see again last week it did have a major peak, hitting $1.18 guys on the 21st of April, so just about a week ago, and ever since then it's been dropping in value, and over the month is an overall 13% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 590% in the last 24 hours, making it $680 million, the trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that has been traded on ZRX over the last 24 hours. So yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. Are you buying, are you holding, or are you just trying to sell the crypto? Let me know in the comment section down below. So on the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which is what I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So I'm going to hide it for now and bring it back later on. What we are going to start with is the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into that guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And also, just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the daily chart. We've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing ZRX at just about 79 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at 83 cents, meaning it is performing much better than expected and overperforming at the moment, which is good in a way and bad in a way as well, because it is overperforming, meaning it does have the potential to drop down to about 80 cents in target. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. So zooming in here, we got the orange line just about looking bearish, slanting towards the negative direction, and the blue line looks like it is going in a straight line, but guys, if you look very closely, we can see it is also slanting towards the negative direction, meaning both lines are looking a little bit negative at the moment, going in a bearish direction, meaning very minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a very minimal decrease in value on ZRX. However, that does not mean it's going to be a complete drop or anything like that. Yes, we are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles in between, but the overall outcome in this case seems to be more on the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are again not looking too great guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line once again looking a bearish direction, so more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment, potentially dropping below the 80 cents target, heading towards the 75 cents target by early next week. Moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Again, in this case guys, I'm not going to say it's looking negative. Well, the orange line is more or less going in a straight line, even though it does look like it's going in a negative direction. Let's say it's going in a straight line, however the blue line is going in a negative direction, so the overall outcome over the coming weeks again seems to be negative. So let's say by early June to mid-June, we should expect this crypto to drop in value. And as mentioned in my previous video on ZRX, when it was pumping about a week ago, I did warn you guys, you know, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase just like this one here, it will drop back down. And I did tell you guys that in a week's time will probably be worth around 80 cents, and that is exactly what's taken place. So more or less my predictions have been accurate so far. So yeah, I do expect more drops on this crypto over the coming weeks, potentially going down to about 60-65 cents. However, you guys have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, new news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of ZRX or OX, and anything like that. I will make sure to keep you guys updated as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, guys, just a little announcement. I have made a Telegram group chat for you guys to join if you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, ask questions, and obviously those members do get more regular updates on certain cryptos that I cover on this channel, you know, daily technical analysis and so on. All that for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is limited to the first 100 members. After that, it will increase to $29.99, and half the spaces have already gone. So guys, make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. And again, there's going to be two group chats that you're going to get put into. One is where I'm buying and selling cryptos, and the other one is where I'm showing you, sorry, not where I'm showing you guys, where it's a general chat where you guys can discuss crypto, ask questions, and also, you know, just talk about crypto in general with yourselves. But yeah, any questions, any queries before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And now back to ZRX. So as you can see here, we have been fluctuating in between these two targets, which is the 72 cents target and the $1.05 target. So 72 and 105. And we have been fluctuating in there since about, let's have a look, 29th of March. So about a month. Let's say we peaked up, dropped down, peaked all the way up here, broken out, and then dropped back down. I'm expecting it to drop to 72 cents approximately, maybe 70, you know, somewhere around here, and then it will more or less resist and peak back up in value, hitting about 85 to 90 cents. So yeah, more or less it is going to fluctuate around the current price range and fluctuate in between these two targets as I mentioned previously. But yeah guys, these are my predictions and my takes on ZRX. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a huge thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well. So a huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you subscribers out there. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.